Aloha, I'm Generational Master Beekeeper Darren Olson, and I am appealing to you vegans that maybe you are right. Maybe we should stop destroying our planet, and maybe we should all help honeybees, which are our pollinators. They're the ones that take care of the fruits, vegetables, plants, flowers, coffee, chocolate, almonds, and a bunch of other things, including cotton, for us human beings. We would not have any of those things without our honeybees. You are right. Honeybees are sentient. They are a superorganism that cares more about others than themselves. And honeybees are the ones that provide food for us, humans. You are right, but maybe we can work together, and that's my appeal to you. If you desire to have no-kill hives and no-harvest hives, maybe you should try supporting a beekeeper like myself. That, yes, my family has had honeybee hives since the 1400s in Norway, and I'm currently a third American generation master beekeeper. Previously, my dad would sell 1 pound of honey for $1. And that's, yes, back in the 1980s. But right now, the current model is selling honey to people in order to defray the cost to the beekeeper, like myself. If you want a no-kill, no-harvest hive, yes, that is the best for nature, but then we have to work together in order to fund that somehow. So then it is basically a donation model that honeybees will go to any plant that they desire to. They want to get nectar, and they will continue to grow as a beehive. There are some hives that are hundreds of years old, but right now, because of diseases and man, bees are dying. We can't use the same old methods, for example, of letting bees be in the wild. We do need, by many state laws, a beekeeper to take care of the beehives. And yes, they have to be in a beehive now, for both their safety, the honeybees, and the general public's safety. So that's my appeal to you. Would you like a no-kill hive and a no-harvest hive? Meaning the beekeeper can keep the honeybees and not take honey for people's consumption, but continue to split beehives when they naturally want to split off because they have developed so much honey that they naturally decide when the queen wants to make 2 hives instead of just having 1 hive. That is the natural reproduction system of honeybee hives, how we have more hives. So that would be a no-kill, no-harvest hive. The bees decide that, yes, there is just too much honey, and they will split off into another group with another queen. Each hive only has 1 queen. A beekeeper like myself, who knows this process, can say to the bees, yes, we'll make you 2 safe homes instead of having just 1 and having to swarm in nature. Beekeepers can take away some of the honey and some of the frames and have a brand new queen for having a natural process instead of the things that you are morally against. For example, my family has never artificially inseminated bees. That is an unnatural process that some people do. We've always kept honeybees safe and in their natural form, meaning honeybees will naturally pollinate the queen themselves with the drone workers. I know I'm long-winded and I'm trying to explain too much in too little time. If you would like to support a no-kill hive and a no-harvest hive, meaning me, the beekeeper, takes care of the honeybees and allows them to grow naturally, that's both legally the only option you have anymore, because you want coffee, vegetables, fruit, cotton. You want the things that honeybees pollinate. You also want, for example, in Hawaii, there is 400 species of plants that are dying because their pollinators have been killed off. You need a beekeeper to take honeybee hives to places on Oahu, for example, or on Big Island that the bees just don't travel to because of where they're located. In a no-kill hive and a no-harvest hive, the beekeeper doesn't have to worry about selling honey anymore as a model, but instead would be funded by people like you that believe that honeybees can help our ecosystem. Again, how can you help me? My call to action is email me, give me your email, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be a backer, a financial donor to have a new model that is a no-kill, no-harvest hive so that honeybees can thrive organically and naturally. Mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much.